Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to Eric Aircraft Professional. So finally we discussed to be going to back after long time to long layers. Again we return back to the butterfly layer haircut. Part I can just fringe, part I can just do separate. Horseshoe section I took separate again, and that I ear to ear and just going to be separate. And this is one of the basic parts which can be sections are majorly important. So after that back portion, occipital bone I got separate for give it to the one leg basic, and top of that I need to recreate to the layers and graduation layers. So this is the purpose. You can just multiple section and just taking separate for all the sides. So after that I will help up to the comb. I'm going to be explain you guys. So before start to the haircut with all the sides, now I'm just taking to the one line basic. So my client was requirement it will remain the same length. Top of that you won't add layers. So that's the regards I just to choose with a butterfly layer haircut, which can be given ultimately add more layers and create a bounciness, and it comes out very well clean look. Pick from center profile 45 graduation layers, 45-degree graduation layers completely. And the rest of the bottom part I just separated. Now I release the crown, the back crown portion, and that I just take from center profile and stationary guideline from occipital bone. I'm just going to show you that is the guideline, and rest of the hair I'm just going to convert in that layer. As it is a small section, I just pick and just start here and converting in the stationary guideline in the layers consistently. So as much thin section we just going to pick, that much layers will become clean and neat look as well. So ensure we have to follow these techniques and tricks each and every video. So whenever we do the haircut, small section is very important to be give a proper layering that can be visible, clean and neat look end of the day. So I come to another side, the same stationary guideline I picked from the previous guideline, and rest of them I'm converting in layers. Almost last section got finished, and after that I'm just going to check cross. Before come to another side, I'm just cross checking the both the side. Another side also even. Now I come to side portion. Before add the layers, I'm just taking as one line basic 2. I'm just rest of there and just converting the layers. Stationary guideline and just pick from the back portion and rest of there and converting in layers. And top of that I'm saving the length too. After that I'm just cross checking. Then I come to another side again. Now I pick from stationary guideline from the back. Now rest of here I'm just converting in layers. Now all the side sections got finished. Now I release the center crown portion. The horsey section is got released. I'm just taking to the center. Profile section, and as it is a pick from the exactly crown portion as a guideline. Now rest of there I'm just doing as like 90-degree haircut over all the center sections, and the rest of the side parts and the parts and just giving to the over direction and overlapping with a little bit up to the center, pushing forward all the hair. I'm just cross checking, and after that I come to another side. And that I'm cross checking, and after that I just come to center crown fringe portion. And this I'm just giving as like layer technique of fringes. So this is one of my favorite technique of giving anyone to be long fringes and long bangs who can be covered when they do the tying also, and when they release open hair. All the things will become covered in one place. So this is my one of the secret after giving to the fringes or cotton bangs for long hair, even layers you can just take. So after that my cut got finished, I'm just showing to my clients to be messy layers, and after that I'm just doing as spiral, my favorite blow dry technique. I come to another side. And after that I come to another side. I come to center crown portions, which is very much significant part which can be visible, bouncier and clean and voluminous look. This is I'm just giving all the sides nicely heat and shine on all the sides. Why? Because to be neat, carry forward something with more voluminous look, I'm just going to provide the outlook which will become ultimately clean and neat as well. And after that I just come to front fringe portion is going to be finishing up. Complete the blow dry section, it is going to finish. So this is my last section. I'm just going to winding up to the, after that I'm just going to release. So this is my final look with complete after the layering. I hope you all are enjoyed the video, and this is called it's ultimately flowing up complete finishing up layers. So however you've seen the before the presentations before inserting inside after the video subject. So this is the end look which we can just see, and from the front face it will become clean and neat and bouncier look. So this is my final look after the haircut and before giving to the texture. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. And also if you really like the video, please hit the like button, and just minimum 500 likes I'm expecting in this video, and I hope you all are do so. So very hardly we are just doing this expectedly video for creating the subjects for audience who can be understand and easily and do these techniques in the any of haircut of implementation, especially a butterfly layer haircut, and just most strongly recommend this haircut video. So if you really like the video, hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for get a notification every time. So after that, I'm just going to do the texture. After the texture, it will be going to end. Finishing will be wind up to the complete after the haircut. Take a presentation, you can outstanding completely with the look out of it. So now gradually side by side section I just picked and just giving as like texture. Now I come to center crown portion. That is last section. I'm just going to wind up. So this is my end look after the finishing after layering, that is looking so outstanding with completely ultimately pretty much good shiny and neat look. It comes out very well these techniques by haircut. So hope you all are understand and even enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know comments below. Definitely looking forward to those things to be and for the future videos. We'll meet up to the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.